All right, so I'm sharing my screen with you because I understand that some of you are having way too many email notifications from your Google Classroom, and that's going to happen until you change your settings. So awesome that your students are working on Google Classroom, but it's going to be important for you to know how to um, change that setting. So you're going to go to your Waffle, you're going to go to Google Classroom. And then when that loads, you're going to see all of your classes, just like mine. You're going to go to the three bars here in the left. When you do that, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see settings. So you want to click on settings, and then you see your profile and notifications. All down here are all the different settings. But if you just want to shut down all of those receive email notifications, click here and boom, those are all gone. If you want them back and you want to change some more settings about the comments on the post, if you want to keep things private, some of the classes that you're enrolled in, there are settings here that you could do. And then, of course, with the classes you teach. I would check it out. You can't break any of this, but just for this purpose, you definitely want to remove and set this notification so you will not receive email notifications. Hope this video helps, and we can thank Nicole Lopez, who made a video request. And I'm just happy that I'm able to be of some sort of help to all of you. All right, thanks. Hope you enjoy the video.